Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of kitchen gadgets with one of the best stainless steel potato cutters on the market, the Befano French fry cutter. If you love crispy, homemade fries or need a versatile slicer for potatoes, carrots, or cucumbers, this might just be the tool for you. The Befano French fry cutter boasts a robust stainless steel construction designed for durability and ease of use. It comes with two interchangeable blades, allowing you to create 1/2 inch thick or 3/8 inch thin cuts effortlessly. Whether you're preparing a quick snack or prepping vegetables for a family meal, this cutter promises to simplify your kitchen tasks. Let's talk about its standout features. First off, the Befano cutter is equipped with 4 suction cups, ensuring stability during use. No slipping or sliding around your countertop. The extended ergonomic handle reduces cutting effort, making it a breeze to use even for larger batches. And cleanup? It's a cinch thanks to its rust-resistant stainless steel blades and simple hand wash instructions. Now, let's see it in action. We'll demonstrate how easy it is to assemble and use this cutter, from adjusting the blades to slicing through whole potatoes with ease. Whether you're a kitchen novice or a seasoned chef, this tool promises efficiency and precision. To wrap up, if you're in the market for a reliable, stainless steel potato cutter that delivers on performance and durability, the Befano French fry cutter deserves serious consideration. It's designed to simplify your cooking routine and elevate your culinary creations at home. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more unbiased product reviews. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or if there's a product you'd like us to review next. Until next time, happy cooking!